Hey everybody, I hope you had a good spring break and a happy Easter weekend. Glad to be back with you today. I wish we were in person. Today we're talking about solving systems of equations again. Last week we solved those systems by graphing them and seeing where the lines crossed. The solution to a system of equations is the point where the two lines intersect. That point lies on both lines and it makes both equations true. Now, graphing is helpful, but sometimes it's a little tedious, so we look for other methods that help us. Whenever you see a variable by itself, that's a great time to use substitution because it's telling us that y equals x minus 4. So I can take this x minus 4 and substitute it in for the y variable and then solve for x. So let's go ahead and do that. I start out with 4x. And then it's plus y. Well, I know that y is x minus 4, so I add x minus 4 equals 26. This is your second problem on this homework page. 4x plus x is 5x minus 4 equals 26. I'll add 4 to both sides. I get 5x equals 30. Divide both sides by 5 and I get x equal to 6. Now, I know that the x value that is a solution of the systems is 6, but I don't yet know what the y value is. So I can simply take this x equals 6, substitute it back in here, and figure out my y. So I have y equals x minus 4. So I'm going to substitute that right back in. I get y equals 6 minus 4, y equals 2. The point 62 should lie on both lines. It should be where they intersect. To check it, I'm going to substitute this x and y in to the equation. So the first equation is y equals x minus 4. I'm going to put a 2 in for y, and then 6 minus 4, and I get 2 equals 2. That checks out. It tells me that it lies on that line. And then I'm going to substitute it in for the second equation as well. I have to prove that it's on both lines. 4 times x, the x is 6, plus y is 2. 24 plus 2 equals 26. 26 equals 26. Check. This means that this point lies on both lines and therefore it is a solution to this system of linear equations. Hope this helps.